guys, it's Robert from HobbyManZxc. What is this sound? I can't make it out. I'm on 106.7 FM. Sounds really annoying. What could this be? Okay, anyway, not to bore you with this filler, there was a humongous tornado that hit the Dallas Metroplex today. We haven't heard much about injuries or anything, but I've been watching the Weather Channel constantly all day about this. Not about this. It was really cool how it skirted the southwestern side of Fort Worth. It was near Arlington. It formed in Joshua and hit near Cedar Hills, where the Dallas Towers, radio towers are. Wow, I'm so glad they survived, because the day of this storm, I had to pick up my grandmother's friend Eva from the airport at 5 p.m. We got there by 6:47, and I was picking up some Dallas stations, and I heard Caleb 98.7 talking about the tornado. It was quite a remarkable thing, kind of like the Gerald tornado that this weird century wants to pretend never happened. That's right, there was actually a tornado in the 1990s. In 1997, there was a humongous tornado that ripped through Gerald. Joplin, as much as I feel very sorry for you, and I do, for your town being ripped to shreds, you're not the first town that got hit by a tornado. Gerald, Texas got a humongous F5 tornado that struck around May 20th, 1997. I was only 12 years old at the time, and let me just say, it was a very scary, traumatic experience. I was in West Austin when it was in Gerald, when the Gerald tornado happened. I was hiding underneath the cabinets with my cousin, and Sissy, Melissa, helped console me. She was much older than me at the time. And now that I'm bigger, I actually get excited whenever I hear wild weather. So yeah, it's been a very tornadic day in North Texas. I hope everyone in Dallas is okay. I hope everyone in Joplin has been able to pick up the pieces of their life. I feel very sorry for them. And hopefully Gerald, Texas will be okay after their tornado they had back in 1997. Whew, yeah. No one really thinks of the Gerald tornado very much. Everyone always remembers the Joplin tornado. Weird. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to find out what's going on with 106.7. Speaking of 106.7, the good Doc FM, the music doctor for this weird century, has been vanquished by the weird century and has turned into your generic, everyday, evil century country station. So basically, I guess it was too good. Oh yeah, and also 106.1 out of Tallahassee flipped from classic hits oldies to they're now all Beatles. They're playing all Beatles music. Yeah, but I don't like their John Lennon songs when they're playing, because John Lennon's depressing as heck. He's not a very happy camper. Paul and Ringo will always be my favorite Beatles. They seem to be the most put together of the four. I like them. They're the coolest. I always like to call myself Ringo Starr. That's my alter ego, because you know he and I are the most silliest Yeah. So anyway, have a great evening. Insert question mark here on what 1061 is up to. I mean 1067. This 1067 is somewhere in Texas, I know for sure. 1061, the one that flipped from oldies classic hits to an all Beatles format. Yay, the best band in the world. It flipped in Tallahassee. The 1061 in Tallahassee flipped from Q1061 to all Beatles. I'm looking forward to seeing what they try. From Radio Insight, I heard they have registered 1061 The Path. And it's rumored to be classic rock. So that might be a good format. We could use another classic rock station in the United States. Better than being a generic country channel, like everyone else seems to be doing. Oh yeah, but it's not as bad as all these dumb news talk simulcast channels. Remember, people, FM is for music, not for talk. We're not called FT, it's called FM. I'm Robert from HobbyManZxc. Enjoy my first official video on this channel. Bye, everyone. Love being on YouTube.